Chairman Judicial Rahman, Ashok Bhargav, and we also have the Festival Director, Srimati Monica Barbahan. We also welcome the Honorable Assistant High Commissioner of Bangladesh to India, Dr. Shah Mohammad Tanveer Mansoor. Welcome you, sir. We also welcome the Honorable Chairman of Jury, Feature Film Category, Eminent Filmmaker of Serbia, Mr. Nenad Dukic. It's an honor to have you amidst us, sir. We also welcome Honorable Jury Member, Feature Film Category, Eminent Filmmaker from Assam, Dr. Khantana Bordoloi. We also welcome Honorable Jury Member, Feature Film Category, Eminent Filmmaker from Bangladesh, Mr. Abu Said. We also welcome Eminent Cinematographer, Filmmaker of India, Mr. E.K. Veer. Here we have the Chairman Judicial Rahman, the Vice Chairman Ashok Bhargav, and the Festival Director Monica Barbahan welcoming our dignitaries. We also welcome the eminent filmmaker from Argentina, Mr. Ulysses Rosell. Welcome everyone.